everyone, welcome to my channel. Through this video, you can note down the question and answers of Class 6 History Lesson 1, What, Where, How and When. So let us begin with some important points, and these are basically definitions and some important information. So your teacher can give you MCQs, true and false, or fill in the blanks, or even questions related to these topics. So adding them in questions would have become very, like the notes would have become very long. So I've given them as important points. So manuscripts is important, decipherment is important, and name of Magad, why is it important? That is also there. Okay, so let's move ahead. And first question, and very important question, difference between manuscripts and inscriptions. So manuscripts were old handwritten books, and in earlier times when there was no paper, they were even written on leaves. And inscriptions, these are engravings on the stones or metals, and manuscripts dealt with lots of subjects like religion, medicine, etc. But inscriptions usually had record of victories of kings in battle. So whenever a king used to win, he used to get his victory inscribed on some stones. But since manuscripts were made up of leaves or paper, so they were eaten by insects, some got destroyed also. We still have some manuscripts intact, and they are you'll find them in lots of national and public libraries. And inscriptions, since they were written on stones or rocks, they remained same and they did not get destroyed. Second question, make a list of all the objects that archaeologists may find, or how do we get to know about our pasts? So we get to know about our past through variety of things like inscriptions, manuscripts, pots, tools, weapons, etc. Whatever we find during excavation, that means during digging, that also provides us a lot of information about our past. Then third question, why do you think ordinary women and men did not generally keep record of what they did? So it's with us also. Do we keep record of whatever we do in our daily lives? So it was just like that. Ordinary men, they did not have time, they did not have paper and ink, and they did not feel the need of writing down about their daily routine. Then fourth question, describe at least two ways in which you think the lives of kings would have been different from those of farmers. So of course, kings had large kingdoms, they had large records, they had a lavish lifestyle, they were responsible for safety of their region. That was not the case with farmers. They maintained soldiers even, farmers did not. Question 5. Do we have many pasts or one? So basically, we all have different pasts, and that is why our book says the name of our book is Our Pasts. It's not our past, it's in plural. It's because we are different people having different pasts. Question 6. Name the languages in which manuscripts were usually written. So they were written in Sanskrit, Prakrit, and Tamil. Then question 7. Why did people travel in ancient times? So people traveled from one part to another for various things like for livelihood, for hunting, for capturing others' lands, for adventure, for selling goods, for tourism also, which is not given here, but you can write it. And one more thing, this question from this chapter is very important. It is often asked. Then eighth question, why is our country known as India or Bharat? This is also important that this word India came from the word Indus, also called Sindhu in Sanskrit, and the people from Iran or Greek called it Hindos or Indos, and basically the the land to the east of river Indus was called India, and the name Bharat was used for people staying in the northwest, and later it was used for the country. That's it, everyone. These are the notes, and for other lessons also, for geography, civics, and other lessons of history also, I've added notes, and they're in Hindi also.